This is a new AI tool called lookat.com, and it allows you to design your own logo. So let's give it a try, and I'm going to show you how it's done, for example, for my blog, for Brand Matters. So I'm going to type in Brand Matters and said get started. And then it answers you, so you know your industry, just pick up the symbols. So I'm calling podcast and press continue. Then it automatically gives the references that you need to choose which you want your future logo to look like. So I'm going to click something a bit more professional. So for example, like this one and this. Let's say something more positive, and let's do this one. I don't really like the handwritten ones, so I'm going to do some font type logos, like for example, this one, and probably this one will be the last. Then you press continue, and if you do have your preferences in color, like for example, I really love orange, so I pick the orange. You can choose the several one, then press continue. And if you have a slogan, you can add here. I'll just leave it as blank. You push continue. And then if you want some symbols, you also can click here. So because I'm a podcast, I'm going to click podcast, microphone, brain, why not? Communication, creativity, and let's do headphones. That's it. So then I click continue, and it started to generate some logos that you can just start using. So just give it a time. So you see it appears, some microphones and some typography, which I like. Oh, I like this one, the orange and the brain. So after you pick something you like for example, I really like that one, you can click on, and it says you want to sign up. I will continue as a guest. You want to sign up if you want to have the full functionality. So I'm going to click customize. And here is a really powerful thing, because you can basically from here do a lot of other experiments. Like for example, if you want to change the layout, you click on the layout, and it gives you some variations, like for example, without the symbol, with slogan, like with a better, bigger font, etc. So what I want to do, I actually want to have the two lines and microphone on top of it. So let me do the following. I'm gonna choose this one, but I don't like this symbol. So what I want to change that to is a microphone. So I'm going to say microphone, and let's say is what it does. Yeah, here we go. Here's much better. Let's do this one, for example. But I want the microphone to be smaller. So I click here. I do click size. And when you resize the symbol, it basically changes the whole composition to be in the harmony. So that's, for example, how I like. And you also can do some more ideas, like more modern thing, like suggestions. Yeah, some cool stuff like this one or that. But let's say I want to stay with this one, and it gets you from here, you get the feeling how it will look like, for example, on embossing or on your cover for the social media or the icon for the social media. And I love this one in particular. It gets the color palette done for you, so you can understand the main colors, because you probably want to use this color in Canva or in other tools that you will be developing your brand in future. And then it gives you some ideas how this will look like on different like blog banners, social posts, etc. And gives you actually a lot of templates. And it gives you the basic black and white variations. This is really great for example, for merchandise, etc. And see how beautiful that will be on business cards, etc. Yeah, I think this is a great tool for startup brands to start exploring the options, and maybe not for the final design, but at least to show the designers how the look and feel might be. So it's a great tool for non-designers to play with, and especially for designers, it can also save a lot of time and efforts. Yeah, it's called lookat.com. Use it. I love it. Really recommend it.